Meet the all-new Nissan Interstar, your business partner. Built for capability, efficiency, and reliability. Designed to make a statement. The Interstar features a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a robust aerodynamic shape that maximizes efficiency on every journey. Step inside a driver-focused cabin, built for comfort and productivity. With smart storage solutions, an intuitive 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Audio, and ergonomic seating, the Interstar feels like a mobile office. With a class-leading side door opening and up to 14.8 cubic meters of cargo space, loading and unloading is seamless. Modular tie-down points secure your cargo, while the impressive payload capacity of up to 1,934 kilograms ensures you can handle the toughest jobs. And when you need even more capability, the Interstar is built to tow with confidence, making it the ultimate workhorse. Choose between a powerful diesel engine with up to 170 horsepower or go electric with zero tailpipe emissions and up to 285 miles of range. The Interstar's fuel-efficient design and advanced powertrains give you the best of both worlds. Every Interstar comes with Nissan's 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty plus 5 years of roadside assistance to keep your business moving with confidence. Stronger, smarter, built for business. The new Nissan Interstar is ready to work for you. Find yours today at John Clark Nissan Aberdeen.